Welcome back to the Modern Scholars channel, a great place to learn. I'm Latasha, I'm one of the co-founders of Kash-In, and today I'm going to show you how to create a behavior and add that behavior to your class.
1, 2, 3.
It's just different.
Okay, so when you log back into cashinapp.com, it's immediately going to bring you to this home screen, which in this case shows the classes you should have already created. Go to your left-hand toolbar under Applications and click on Behavior. Click Add Behavior. So really quickly, I could create any behavior that I want, positive or negative. And I'm going to just make a quick example. Follow with me. I'm going to say Reading Champ. Put in a quick description about the behavior. Type is whether it's positive or negative. In this case, it's going to be a positive. And the same thing like a bank account, positive make deposits, negatives makes withdrawals. And I'm going to say it's going to be $30 of cash. Choose a picture. While I'm putting up a picture, remember all these fields can be later updated and changed. So if I wanted to change the cash amount, I could. Once we have completed all fields, in the right hand corner, it's going to have a blue button that says Save. Let's click on it. Behavior is saved. Now, if I wanted to check on my behavior, I go to List, and it lists all the behaviors. Not only does it list the behaviors I have created, but then it also lists behaviors that admin, the Modern Scholars, have created for you to choose from. If I wanted to delete a behavior, just click on the behavior, click on my 3 dots at the top, and click Remove. And just like that, it's gone. So now that we have our behaviors or know how to create our behaviors, let's go ahead, let's add them to our class. So now I'll go back to my left-hand corner, and I'm going to click on my class in my list. It should list all your classes. I only have one for practice. From there, at the top of your screen, it should say Class Details, Behaviors. That's what we need. Click on that. And I'm going to go ahead and add behaviors. You can, once you know how to do it once, you can go ahead and repeat it for the rest of your classes. So again, add behaviors. Here goes all the list of behaviors that I just had. And I can select multiple ones or all of them. And I click Add. Now they have been added to my class. Again, notice the trash can feature. So if I wanted to delete one, I could. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, be safe, be kind, be smart.